Getting you up to speed with the fast-moving political developments in the state of Maharashtra. Maharashtra ka naya CM kaun is the big question that should be answered by the end of the day. After Mahayuti Alliance achieved a historic victory in the assembly elections, winning over 230 seats, all eyes are on who will be chosen as the next chief minister. Newly elected Shiv Sena MLAs raised slogans for Eknath Shinde to return as the chief minister of Maharashtra during the key meeting, as well as electing Eknath Shinde as the Sena party leader. Rooting for Shinde as CM, Sena MLA Uday Samant claimed that 5 UBT MLAs are in touch with Shinde. Amid the CM faced suspense, former Union Minister Rao Sahib Danve is rooted for Fadnavis as the chief minister, claiming that Shinde was the face of the Mahayuti in the elections, but not as the CM. Remember, BJP MLAs are also set to hold a key meeting to elect their party leader. Meanwhile, chorus is growing for Ajit Pawar to become the chief minister within the NCP MLAs. This after Ajit Pawar was elected as NCP party leader.
सभी विधायकों ने एक मत से विधायक दल का नेता मुझे चुना, इसलिए मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। जो विश्वास उन्होंने जताया इसके लिए उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं भी दी।
3 पार्टियों ने मिलाकर हमने चुनाव लड़ा और तीनों पार्टियां अपने चुन के आए जो विधायक है उनकी मीटिंग बुलाकर नेता का चयन करेंगे और वो 3 नेता साथ में बैठकर हमारे जो श्रेष्ठ वरिष्ठ नेता है उनके साथ राय मशवरा करके अगला मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा इसका निर्णय करेंगे। ये चुनाव जो हमने लड़ा ये एकनाथ शिंदे के नेतृत्व में लड़ा, लेकिन चुनाव के बाद नेता मुख्यमंत्री कौन, कोई चेहरा सामने रखकर हमने ये चुनाव नहीं लड़ा। तो इसलिए जो निर्णय श्रेष्ठी करेंगे वो हमारा नेता होगा। पार्टी के नेता जो है वो देवेंद्र फडणवीस है, उन्हीं के नेतृत्व में हमने ये चुनाव लड़ा है। विधिमंडल पार्टी जो नेता चुनेगी वो हमारा नेता रहेगा।
आमचा नेता विधिमंडळाचा अजितदादा पवार यांची सर्वानुमते नेमणूक केलेली आहे आणि आता शिंदे गटांचे जे आहेत नेते कोण आहेत ऑथेंटिकली ते कळायचं आम्हाला। बीजेपीच्या नेतेपदी कोण येत आहे ते पण अधिकृतरित्या आमच्याकडे यायचं आहे, परंतु सर्वसाधारणपणे आमचा काय देवेंद्र फडणवीस यांना विरोध राहायचं काही असण्याचं काही कारण मला तरी वाटत नाही।
आज राष्ट्रवादी के नवनिर्वाचित विधायकों की बैठक हुई। हमने उनका स्वागत किया, सम्मान किया, सत्कार किया और साथ साथ में हमने हमारे पार्लियामेंट्री लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी जो एनसीपी की है उसके नेता के पद पर अजीत पवार साहब का वहां पर चयन किया। सभी ने स्वागत किया इस बात का और साथ साथ में अजीत पवार साहब को ये अधिकार दिया कि आगे की जो भी बातचीत है उसमें आप पार्टी के हिसाब से योग्य निर्णय लीजिए। सरकार में शामिल होने का भी निर्णय आपको अधिकार दिया गया है।
कल माननीय हमारे नेता देवेंद्र जी ने साफ तौर से कहा है, मैं भी आपको साफ तौर से कहता हूं, तीनों पार्टियों के नेता मिलकर केंद्र के हमारे वरिष्ठ नेतृत्व जो है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी है, अमित भाई है, हमारे नड्डा जी है, हमारा केंद्रीय एक पार्लियामेंट में बोर्ड होता है, उसमें सारी चर्चा होगी। अभी वो चर्चा करना नेतृत्व का सवाल है, नेतृत्व चर्चा करता है, तो मुझे लगता है जब भी बैठक होगी इसमें निर्णय होगा।
My colleague Vidya is getting asked more details on that big story. Vidya, this was in fact a dilemma before the Mahayuti, and this was expected that there will be fair amount of back and forth and fair amount of muscle flexing on both or rather on all 3 sides, with the section also saying that Ajit Pawar should be getting an opportunity to to head the government really here. But give us an idea about how soon is this final decision expected and how is this going to be announced? Will it be announced today and will there be a formal announcement as well?
Well, there's no binding on the government to do it right away, like today or tomorrow, because yes, the tenure of the government does end by 26, that is tomorrow. But the government can actually go ahead and say that we have the majority, but the decision making will take a little time. So they can seek time from the governor. So it's not really a binding feature that it has to be done by today itself. Remember, these kind of decisions, especially when you have to do it for the next 5 years, it's not an easy decision. The mandate just came just a couple of days ago, and it will take a while for the legislative, because remember, while Eknath Shinde faction and the Ajit Pawar factions are very small factions, where they held their legislative party leaders meeting and decided who their leader will be, which is basically Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde, and that the decision that they decide will be the decision of the party that they have said. But the legislative party meet of the BJP is still to be held, and which will be held today. So after they meet, the decision taken by them would then be conveyed to the parliamentary board in Delhi. Whether the BJP leaders from Mumbai will actually be going to Delhi is not really known, but it is said that there will be a decision that will be jointly taken by the leaders from here as well as the leaders from Delhi. Amit Shah and various other senior leaders would be will be consulted, and it is their decision which will then finally make ground as to who will be heading it. But of course, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar too will have their say, and they will be discussing it with the BJP leaders in Delhi. So there will be a lot of back and forth that will happen, and only then can a decision be formed as to who the chief minister will be, what the formula for the next 5 years will be. But remember, as they had been stating before the election as well, that whatever is the decision of the chief minister, it will be taken after the election. So it will be a while. It's not going to be an immediate decision. Remember, it's a decision for 5 years to provide stability to the state of Maharashtra. That's not going to be an easy decision for either of the parties.